So what do you think of this, Kilroy?
This is definitely the relic we're looking for.
Good. Now let's get it before Sinister does. So far so good, Kilroy. And no signs of you-know-who.
Stop right there, Thunder!
Oh, I should have known.
Hand over the relic, and I might let you escape with your life.
And if I don't?
If you don't, then your precious uncle gets his head filled with lead.
No, don't do it, Johnny.
Leadhead, hey, that rhymes.
Johnny, do the world a favor and shut up! Where's that idiot brother of yours?
He goes in space with Alexa.
Your brother is in space with my sister?
Yeah.
Igor!
So this switch does what again?
That one enables time travel.
Cool. And this keyboard?
That's where you type in any destination and the TARDIS will take you there.
Anywhere?
Anywhere and anytime. So where to?
Oh, I don't know. How about 1718 London?
Right away. LMV. Turd burglars.
What's wrong?
There's something coming through the time vortex. I don't know what it is though.
Come on, Thunder! Hand over the bloody relic!
Gee, Sinister, chillax. I'm coming.
What
is that?
is that?